Welcome. In this video I will show you how to use night sight feature on your Google Pixel 11 Pro. To enable this feature, you have to open camera on your device and go to the night sight mode using this mode selection toolbar at the bottom of your camera. Now, to take a photo with it, you have to keep your camera incredibly still, perfectly or ideally using a tripod for that. But I'm gonna be trying to do the best that I can with just my bare hands. So to show you the difference between the regular photo mode and the night sight, let's take a normal photo of this artificial flower. With a good lighting, well, pretty good, I would say. And now let's turn the lights off, enable the night sight, and try to take a photo once again with the worst light around. Okay, so the monitor is still working. Maybe I should turn it off just for a moment for the sake of the experiment. Okay, now it's totally dark. And now let me check the results. So we have our night sight photo right here. And here is the regular photo with the lights on. So maybe I'm gonna increase the brightness so you can tell the difference better. So as you can see, the night sight really helps us take better quality pictures when it's dark around. And it uses the artificial intelligence to add the details that we could have not been able to see in such a dark environment using our device's camera. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below. And I'll see you in the next one.